जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान। हम लोग कहाँ पहुँचे थे? थोड़ा सा ब्रेक आ गया हमारी जर्नी में। हम उत्तरकांड पहुँचे हैं। इन उत्तरकांड, दिस इज द लास्ट कांड ऑफ रामचरितमानस and the beautiful dialogue between Ma Parvati and Shivji and Garudji and Kagbhusundi is going on. How did the entire dialogue between Kagbhusundi and Garudji start? Was when Garud had a big delusion and his ego spiked. कहते ना, ईगो परम सीमा पर पहुंच गई तो वो सब जगह भागे, ब्रह्मा जी के पास, शिव जी के पास, नारद मुनि के पास। बट अल्टीमेटली ही वॉज डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स काकभुसुंडी, हु इज बाय फॉर्म अ क्रो। देखिए, अंदर तो हम सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप ही है ना। ऑल ऑफ अस आर द डिवाइन एंटिटी। आवरण अलग अलग है, राइट? आर वी एनी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट डिविनिटी? नहीं ना। संसार में प्रभु के अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं। आप और मैं वही हैं, सच्चिद आनंद स्वरूप। ऊपर से वेश, भूषा, देश, सब में फर्क है। तो व्हाट वाज द बॉडी दैट द सच्चिद आनंद स्वरूप हैड टेकन? वाज द बॉडी ऑफ अ क्रो। तो एक सच्चिद आनंद दूसरे सच्चिद आनंद से ज्ञान लेने पहुंचे। See, this is the beautiful लीला of this Lord. माया में हम सब उलझ जाते हैं. We get so trapped in Maya, where you and mine, he and her, duality takes form. When there is a reminder that there are no two, everybody is that one divinity appearing in different forms. Suppose a child, कहते हैं ना, राम जी when he was very small, he said, I want to play with the moon. And he started crying. बाल हट होती है ना, irrespective of what you told him, he would say, नहीं, मेरे को तो उस चंद्रमा से खेलना ही है. I want to play with that moon. Now mothers did not know how to pacify the child, right? And the child started crying. Just imagine, if our child wants a banana, right? And we say, okay, chalo, we peel the banana and we cut it. And suddenly the child starts crying. You cut the banana, join it again. And the child cries and cries and cries till the banana is joined and unpeeled again. कैसे करेंगे? So this was the situation of Ramji also. So what they did is, they got multiple buckets, है ना, filled with water. And they put it outside and the reflection of the moon was visible in the buckets. And Ramji was so happy. He said, इतने सारे चंद्रमा, मैंने तो एक मांगा था, माँ मेरे लिए इतने उतार के ले आई. And he played with joy. Were there multiple moons? No. एक ही था. And that is the crux of all the teachings. There is one. And when we are able to internalize the oneness of this existence, there is going to be no agony, no hurt, no anger. जब सब एक ही हैं, अभी ये उंगली गलती से मेरी आँख को लगा दे या आँख में घुस जाए, तो मैं इस उंगली को काट के नहीं फेंकूंगी. I won't blame this finger because I know it belongs to this one body called Barkha, and there was no intention to harm the arm, harm the eye, because there is oneness. But when it comes to us, our eye and our finger, we remember it. But when it comes to this beautiful creation, we forget it. तो कहते हैं ना, मैं अरु मोर तोड़ते माया. When Ramji was explaining to Lakshmanji, Lakshmanji was always with Ramji, but he never got a chance to talk to Ramji. कई बार होते हैं ना, जो सबसे ज़्यादा करीब होते हैं, उन्हीं के हम समय नहीं दे पाते. It is a reality of our lives. Many a times we end up giving time to everybody, but जो हमारे सबसे close हैं, उन्हीं को हम समय नहीं दे पाते. तो Lakshman found this time, Lakshman ji, and he said, "Can you explain a few concepts to me?" And Ramji said, "Of course, तुम तो लक्ष्मण हो, Sheshnago. I do not need to go into the depth of it and dig out treasures of words to explain it to you. You will understand it in brief. सूक्ष्म रूप में भी सब समझ आ जाएगा. तो when he asked what is Maya, what did Ramji say? मैं अरुमोर तोरते माया. Me and mine, you and yours is Maya. It is delusion. It is prapanch. And then what is opposite of Maya? What is realization? What is liberation? What is moksha? Knowing that there are no two. मैं और तुम नहीं हैं. हम एक हैं. हम सब सच्चिद आनंद स्वरूप हैं. The beggar, the servant, my son, the dog, the bird. Below the form, जो दिखता है ना आवरण, सब एक है. Combined, दो नहीं है. So, right now, the form, the Satchid Anand Swarup, in the form of Garud, is talking about Satchid Anand, and who is narrating? Satchid Anand Swarup in the form of Kagbasundi, who is a crow. बहुत आनंद से सुना. What happened was, Garud ji recollects, and this is where we are going to start today. It is 94A and B in Uttarkand. Garud ji listens to everything. ठीक है? क्योंकि जब वो पहुंचे, कथा ऑलरेडी चालू हो गई थी. बहुत सारे पंछी, there were so many birds who were sitting. कागभसुंडी had already taken his आसन नीलगिरी पर्वत पे, वृक्ष के नीचे, and he had already started talking. Without disturbing the sabha, he came and sat behind. And that is the decorum in any katha. We should, अगर हम देर ही हो गई है हमें आने में, or if the teaching has started, there should be pin drop silence. And we should never cross between the narrator and the listener. वक्ता और श्रोता के बीच से नहीं गुजरना चाहिए. When a person comes, जहां जगह वहां चुपचाप बैठ जाओ. No, I know the relatives and hence I'll go and sit in the front. Not needed. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? जब ये भाव है तो फिर कथा आपके अंदर घुसेगी ही नहीं. We have seen this. When there is a bhav of मैं, right? Parvati and Ji and Shiv Ji in the beginning of Ramcharitramanas had gone to listen to the katha, right? And they were given a very big asan. Shiv Ji listened to the katha, and Parvati Ma was wondering, I am so great. Who is this sage? Why should I listen to him? Does he know more than me? She got lost in the why, and Shivji reveled in the katha. Right? So over here also Garudji knew the decorum. कि एक बार you are there, if you are late, चुपचाप बैठ जाओ. No disturbance should be done. And there is one more decorum. Once the asan has been taken, irrespective of what happens, the asan should not be broken. होता ना चलो आधे घंटे के लिए जाके उठ जाएंगे, नहीं. It is not the disrespect of the vakta or disturbing the other shrotas. It is the disrespect of the granth. This is certain decorums when kathas are happening. The gurus teach us. So over here, Garudji went and sat down. He did not utter a word. He did not introduce himself. He did not try to get an asan in the front. Nothing. He became one with everybody who was sitting and started listening to Kagbasundi ji. But one realization that had happened to him was, the minute he entered the vicinity, which was 8 miles, right? Garud, यहाँ पे कागभसुंडी बैठे and 8 miles ahead, all the doubts disappeared. होता है ना, कई बार हम कहीं जाते हैं with so many questions in our mind, right? Multiple questions come to our mind. But the minute we enter, what happens? ऐसा लगता है कि suddenly there is a clean slate. हम सब ने ये अनुभव करा है कि many a times we go in because we'll ask this, we'll ask that, we want to know this, whys and hows. But the minute we enter, what happens? All doubts disappear immediately. And हमें लगता है कि कुछ पूछना था क्या? How does that happen? And Garud ji was antagonized. He was worried. He could not go back to Vaikuntha Dham because ego is very heavy. When ego sets in, the flight to divinity is not possible. Right? But What happened the minute he entered? All doubts, the entire delusion, काम, क्रोध, मोह, मद, लोभ, अहंकार disappeared before listening to a word of what was being said. He sat down. Irrespective of that, he sat down. जब सारी कथा पूरी हुई, when everybody dispersed, respectfully he came in front and sat. And we know what dialogue happened because we have been listening to it. But one prominent question that he asked was, आप मुझे ये समझाइए कि the minute I came, right? How is it that the minute I came, all my delusion, the entire infatuation, जो भी मेरा भ्रम था, जो भी मेरी ईगो थी, जो भी मेरा अहंकार था, वो सब गायब कैसे हो गया? इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, it is not the answers that clear our mind. And that very common story that we always narrate is, there was a student who had thousands of questions sitting in front of an enlightened guru. He came with a list and started asking. The guru did not answer a single question. He said, go and meditate. Right? कुछ समय बाद आना. He said, but my answers, he said, कर दूंगा. Went. And the list when he came back next became half. फिर वापस आए तो प्रश्न थे. Then the guru said, I think you need to meditate a little bit more. Chao. Again he went. And this time it is said that he did not come back. Later on, after years and years, he was wandering and the guru was going somewhere. The paths crossed and this disciple was shining bright, enlightened. He fell flat at the feet of the guru and he said, thank you. But the guru said, मैंने तो कुछ जवाब ही नहीं दिया. But he said, बिना जवाब दिए आपने सारा भ्रम हर लिया. Where are the answers? Are they in the scriptures? Or are they in the teacher? Where are the answers? जब हम सच्चित आनंद स्वरूप हैं तो सारे प्रश्नों के उत्तर हमारे में ही है. We know everything. हम सब जानते हैं. Right? We know. So, ज्ञान प्रकट करना है, ज्ञान लेना नहीं है. हम सब कहते हैं ना, हम सब ज्ञानी हैं. There is nothing that we do not know. The only thing is, we do not delve deep within to find out. Just like that deer, कहते हैं ना मृग, he is looking for kasturi all around. Where is kasturi? उसी के अंदर. The minute he entered the vicinity of this divine soul, the peace, the quiet touched his heart. And suddenly, ज्ञान revealed itself. कई बार कहते हैं ना, knowledge is not given. Knowledge is pulled. How much we gain does not depend on the teacher. It depends on the person who is taking the knowledge. ये जो ज्ञान है ना प्रभु का, वो बहुत अलग है. So he was wondering कि I was so frantically chasing everybody to help me, but the minute I stepped in your vicinity, that 8-mile distance, all my delusion vanished. मेरा सारा मोह भ्रम हट गया. Plus, आप जब इतने ज्ञानी हैं, you know everything. ये जो काल है ना, हम लोग सब काल के वश में हैं. We agree? Time spirit. It is called time spirit. कहते हैं ना, प्रभु भी काल के वश में है. राम जी ने अवतार लिया, कृष्ण ने अवतार लिया. काल बहुत भारी होता है. Nobody can change what is written by काल. अगर राम जी बदल पाते तो बदल लेते ना. श्री कृष्ण बदल पाते तो क्या वो नहीं बदल लेते? पर नहीं, काल चक्र जैसा है. डेस्टिनी में जो लिखा है वो होगा. राइट? बट कहते हैं काल बसुंडी वॉज बियॉन्ड दिस. वो काल के चक्र में थे ही नहीं. ही वॉज बियॉन्ड दिस. ही हैड दिस बोन ऑफ विजिटिंग एनीवेयर एनी टाइम. एंड जैसे भीष्म पितामह को इच्छा मृत्यु का अवतार था, वैसे ही इनको था. ही हैड दिस boon that he could take any form at any time. He could take any form, चाहे वो प्रभु का हो, चाहे वो इंसान का हो, any form that he wanted he could take. Plus, he could leave this body at any point in time also. Ichha mrityu. But Garudji asked, why is it that you remain in the form of a crow? And why is it that you are not leaving this body and taking another? Why is it that just coming near you made all my delusion go away? देखिए हमारे अंदर की शांति, it is an energy, right? It passes on. That is why it is said, right? If the women of the family are calm, quiet, composed, the entire family is going to be calm, quiet, and composed. One member in the family gets restless, the entire environment of the house changes. And if we have the power to give composure and calm and joy, why not? Just our being. कहते हैं ना, it is not by saying, it is by being. Words are futile, but we do not have any other medium to communicate. So words are futile, but the energies flow. Beyond the screen, beyond everything, the energy flows. अगर आप में ठहराव है, वो ठहराव दूसरे इंसान के पास पहुंचेगा. पर अगर आप विचलित हैं, तो the minute somebody enters in your field of aura, he or she will get restless too. So his field of aura was so strong, so wide, so beautiful that no words were needed to pacify a battered soul. So ये पूछते हैं ये हुआ कैसे? Can you please now tell me? होता है ना, when we get so impressed by a sage, we want to know their journey. It is very normal. हम भी जाएंगे, अच्छा स्वामी जी आपकी जर्नी कैसी थी, आपने क्या करा, आप यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचे, पहले आप कौन थे? कहते हैं ना, many a times we say, जाति ना पूछो साधु की, पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान. But it is normal. कई बार हमें पता होना होता है. We don't stop at ज्ञान. We want to know the entire history of that entity. And most entities oblige कि ठीक है, आपको सुनना है तो मैं बताता हूँ. And Kakbasundi also said it. We are going to superficially touch the journey, and wherever we can, we'll go in depth. Otherwise, we'll revisit it because the story is very beautiful. Kakbasundi बोलते हैं कि I was born in Ayodhya during Kalyug. Ghor Kalyug, and we all know what Kalyug is. Over here, they have taken a few dohas and a few chopais, quite a bit to explain what Kalyug is, but I think Kalyug does not need any introduction or explanation. Every day, I think, or every other day, we say, my God, look at what is happening. Ghor Kalyug hai, Ghor Kalyug hai, right? So, Kalyug does not need an introduction. Kalyug does not need a definition. We do not need to know from रामचरितमानस, क्योंकि उस कलयुग में आज के कलयुग में कुछ खास फर्क नहीं था. कलयुग में जो होता है अभी उस समय भी हो रहा था. And he said, I was born in Ayodhya when Kalyug was going on, right? And then he starts describing the darkness of Kalyug, and it is pretty dark, and we can see it all around us. Because currently we are also in Kalyug, right? हमारे आजू बाजू जो भी चल रहा है, it really sometimes makes us think twice कि where is the world going? ऐसा क्यों? ये क्या हो रहा है? Right? But यहाँ पे भी Kakbasundi says that I was born as a human, I was living in Ayodhya, Ghor Kalyug was going on. And he describes, he says, itna dark face, everything was dark. And somehow, आज मन नहीं कर रहा कलयुग के बारे में बात करने की. I do not want to talk about the darkness of Kalyug, the way they have discussed it here. But in the darkness, कहते हैं ना, चाहे कितना भी अंधकार हो, एक छोटी सी रोशनी की किरण कहीं ना कहीं होती है. तो हमारे आसपास आज कितना भी अंधकार हो, हमें लग रहा हो कि दिस डार्क टनल हैज नो एंड, बट देयर इज एंड एंड देयर इज अ रे ऑफ लाइट. एंड डू यू नो व्हाट इज द रे ऑफ लाइट इन कलयुग? देयर इज दिस मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल रे ऑफ लाइट इन कलयुग, which is not there in Dwapar, which is not there in Treta, which is not there in Satyug. And the biggest strength of Kalyug is, Kalyug में राम नाम आधार. The name is the most powerful. Meditation, tap, jap, niyam, संयम बहुत मुश्किल है. जैसे Ravan told, right? Ravan, when he heard about Ramji and what all he had done, because Surpankha had come, she started complaining, she started describing the valor of Ramji. खरदूषण को मार दिया, त्रिसरा को मार दिया, that demon त्रिजटा को मार दिया, ये this that, so many things. Not Trijata, another demon, sorry. Trijata was the daughter of अपने Vibhishan. इतने सारे demons were killed, and he started wondering, is it God himself that has taken avatar? And the thought that came to Ravan's mind was, ये तामस देह है, हमसे कुछ होगा नहीं, मैं तो फिर भी तपस्या कर लूंगा, मेरी प्रजा से कुछ होगा नहीं, मेरे बच्चों से कुछ होगा नहीं. तो the best is to get Ramji here somehow and make him liberate everybody. Because when Ramji destroys somebody, liberation is for sure an outcome. Right? तो in the same way, कलयुग में बहुत मुश्किल है to get our mind in sync. अगर माइंड हो जाता है स्थिर तो शरीर नहीं होता, शरीर स्थिर हो जाता है तो वातावरण नहीं होता. यज्ञ करने बैठो तो मे बी वी आर प्योर, द पंडित इज प्योर, द सामग्री इज नॉट प्योर. द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्योरिटी इज वेरी डिफरेंट. सो फिर क्या करें? वेरी सिंपल. कलयुग में देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, नथिंग मच इज नीडेड. राइट? ओवर हियर दे डिस्क्राइब इट सो ब्यूटिफुली. दे से कि इन कलयुग व्हाट हैपेंस इज, परम सीमा है, परम चरम में सारा, all this, what is happening? Hypocrisy is there, malice is there, pride, infatuation, arrogance, everything is there, right? But all one needs to do is Ram Naam Jap, Hari Naam Jap, Bhagwan ka jap kariye, right? And we know that Dharma has 4 pillars, right? The 4 pillars of Dharma are mentioned over here. The 4 pillars of Dharma are truthfulness, compassion, austerities and cleanliness. सत्य, दया, तप और शौच. कलयुग में इन चारों की जरूरत नहीं है. हम कहते हैं कि कोई भी एक पकड़ लीजिए, बट यहाँ पे over here Tulsi Baba is saying, hold on to daya, hold on to charity, hold on to compassion. दान करिए, दया करिए, and everything else will follow. So they are making it so simple for us, right? कि no jap, tap, yam, niyam, havan, all the austerities, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. नाम जप करिए, हमेशा नाम जप करिए. And do you know, नाम जप करिए और क्या करिए? दान पुण्य करिए. Now we might even say, क्योंकि हमने कई बार ऐसा पढ़ा है, and that was a very beautiful thought that came over here. We always say ना, be careful of whom you are giving. है ना, हम बोलते हैं ना कि हमेशा योग्य इंसान को ही दान दीजिए. Now many a times the biggest problem is, how will we know whether somebody is योग्य or not? How do we know? हम किसी के दिल में झांक के देख सकते हैं क्या? Right? Many a times we do not know. But over there, here they are saying it is okay. In Kalyug, the intention matters. It is the intention that matters. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने योग्य को अयोग्य को दान दे दिया. आपने तो साफ हृदय से दान दिया ना. Your heart was in the right place when the दान was given. That is all that matters. It is made very easy. कहते हैं ना, it is कलयुग में attaining God is the easiest. Moreover, one more point that they bring forth is हमारा सोच, right? हम कहते हैं ना कि many a times even if we have negative thought, we will get punished. ऐसा नहीं होता. कलयुग का जो सिद्धांत है ना, the principle of कलयुग for all of us is so easy. Positive thought, good thought will be rewarded. अगर हमने मानसिक दृष्टि से भी ये सोच लिया कि मैं आज दान दूंगी, मैं आज किसी की मदद करूंगी, मैं किसी भूखे को खाना खिलाऊंगी, और मैं नहीं भी कर पाऊंगी तो भी आई विल बी रिवॉर्डेड, बिकॉज ये सोच तो आया ना. पर while sitting down and we are having a heated argument with somebody, and at that point in time We say this person is so bad, and we end up saying something negative for that person that is not going to hurt us. Why? Because there was no action associated to the negative thought. And this is so beautiful, right? A positive thought will be rewarded. A negative thought will not be punished. मतलब this is so beautiful. इसमें लिखा है in Kali age possesses another sacred virtue. एक तो है कि आप राम नाम लीजिए, right? We are going to go through it. I'll read this paragraph because it's very beautiful. But in this age, projected acts of virtues are rewarded, but projected sins are not punished. तो इसी के लिए हम कहते हैं ना, प्रॉबेबली हम कई बार बोले काश कि हम सतयुग में होते, काश कि हम द्वापर में होते, काश कि हम त्रेता में होते. नहीं, we are at the right place at the right time. It cannot be easier. A negative thought is not being punished. A positive thought is being rewarded. They are not asking us to uphold all the 4 pillars of truth, of dharma. क्या है? Truthfulness, compassion, austerities, cleanliness. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? सत्य, दया, तपस and सौच्य. नहीं, आप दया दिखा दीजिए बस. Right? And it is very beautiful. It is said that if we, any which ways it is said that if we hold on to one, right? Any one of these 4, the other 4 will follow. And दया करना कितना मुश्किल है ये बताएं मुझे. हम सब जो यहाँ बैठे हैं उनको भगवान ने बहुत दिया है. We are blessed. ये बात और है कि हमारी इच्छाएं कभी पूरी नहीं होती. We are more people, right? We want this more, we want that more. We are morists. कि ये तो दिया है थोड़ा सा और दे देता, ये तो दिया है थोड़ा सा और दे देता. हमें संतोष नहीं है, राइट? बट फॉर वंस एवरी डे कुछ दया का काम कर लीजिए. ज़्यादा नहीं तो 10 रुपये तो हम किसी को दे ही सकते हैं ना. ज़्यादा नहीं तो 1 रोटी तो किसी को खिला ही सकते हैं ना. सिंप्लीफाई इट. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं मांग रहे कि आप पूरी संपदा ही दान करके आ जाइए. नो, every day one act of compassion, one act of love, one act of gratitude. ज़्यादा नहीं. हमारे पास समय कहाँ है? We are so busy. There is so much we want to do, right? इसमें Alice in the Wonderland है ना, उसमें there is this rabbit. He is always running. He is like us. You know, I am late, I am late. I am late for a very important date. I am late, I am late, I am late for a very important date. किसी ने उसे रूक के पूछा कि तुम किसके लिए लेट हो रहे हो? What is that important date? वो नहीं पता. हमें वो नहीं पता. पर हम भाग रहे हैं, फुल रफ्तार से भाग रहे हैं. जाना कहाँ है, पहुंचना कहाँ है, क्यों भाग रहे हैं, वो नहीं पता, बस भाग रहे हैं. रुको. द ब्यूटी इज हम कलयुग में हैं और कलयुग में नाम आधार है. कुछ आपको करना नहीं है. कलयुग केवल हरि गुण गाहा, गावत नर पावही भवता. बस हरि गुण गाना ही तो है आपको, राइट? कुछ नहीं करना. यम नियम जप तप. Again and again I am saying it because many a times we end up looking at the flaws of कलयुग. हमें लगता है घोर कलयुग है, छोड़ दीजिए. आप कलयुग की त्रुटियां नहीं देखिए, ये देखिए कि हमने कुछ तो पुण्य करे होंगे ना कि हमारा जन्म कलयुग में हुआ है. It has been made so easy for us. All we have to say is Ram, Ram, Ram. All we have to do is have a positive thought. All we have to do is show compassion. And we will cross the ocean of mundane existence. So he's saying कि कलयुग में बहुत कुछ खराब था. When I was born, going back to Kagbasundi. But one thing about Kalyug which I cannot negate, and we are going to describe all the yugs later, but one thing about Kalyug I cannot negate is the power of Kalyug. केवल दान से पार लग जाता है इंसान, right? And so when I was born over there was this great famine that came. And at that time, I was totally devoted to the worship of Shiv, living in the Nagri of Ayodhya, where Ramji had taken birth. I did not even want to think about him. All I cared about was Shivji. My devotion was very strong. Famine struck and I went to another city. He went to Ujjain. उज्जैन में कौन है ना? उज्जैन में महाकाल है, राइट? तो वो उज्जैन पहुंच गए, शिव जी की नगरी, एंड थिंग्स स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग ऑल राइट. ही फाउंड अ वेरी नाइस गुरु, एंड दिस गुरु वाज वेरी नाइस टू हिम. He shared all his knowledge because over here Kakbhasundi says, I have this memory that I was not very pious in my heart. I was a Shiv devotee. I used to do all the rituals and do everything. I used to pray to him, but there was hypocrisy in my heart. देखिए, बाहर और भीतर एक होना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आज हम बहुत अच्छे से दिखा सकते हैं कि हम तो बस एकदम दूध के धुले हुए हैं, बट नॉट नेसेसरी, राइट? What thoughts are going on in my mind or your mind, only you or me know, and God knows. So he accepts. कहते हैं ना, the higher we rise, not higher, probably the deeper we go, the more dirt we see in ourselves. So Kakbhasundi is owning it, and he's saying that I was not very pure, although superficially I was pure, but in my heart I had all the hypocrisy, all envy, all jealousy, and I saw a big difference. I used to think Shivji is great and Ramji is nothing. Har aage hai, Hari kuch nahi. But my guru could not see through. He saw what I was projecting, and he gave me the deepest of knowledge about the Lord. And what happened was, when knowledge comes in, जब नम्रता नहीं होती ना, knowledge is very dangerous. भगवान को यही कहना चाहिए, भगवान give me knowledge only if I can handle it. Otherwise, better to keep me mood. I'd rather be stupid. Because with knowledge comes great ego. And जिसने आपको ज्ञान दिया, उसी को आप सिली समझने लग जाते हैं, मूड समझने लग जाते हैं, उसी का आप तिरस्कार करने लग जाते हैं. And this happens many a times. And when we look at children, they have gained knowledge, right, from the teachers, but they'll say, what does the teacher know beyond math or beyond physics? I know everything. अरे, गुरु गुरु ही होता है, right? कभी भी वो मर्यादा क्रॉस नहीं करनी चाहिए. So over here what happened was, कहीं ना कहीं I started feeling superior. And I started looking down on my guru. But my guru was very compassionate. उसको समझ ही नहीं आता था. मुझे इतना प्यार करते थे कि सारा ज्ञान मुझे दे दिया, सब कुछ मुझे दे दिया, मेरी सारी त्रुटियां भी माफ कर देते थे. That is how a person is, right? Always remember what is the symbol of purity is when we stop looking at other people's flaw. दिखेगा ही नहीं. कोई आपको डांट के चला जाए, आपको कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोल के चला जाए, पर आपको एहसास ही नहीं होगा एक दिन. लगेगा कोई बात नहीं. अल्टीमेटली कौन बोल रहा है, कौन कर रहा है? प्रभु ही तो बोल रहे हैं और प्रभु ही तो कर रहे हैं, है ना? किससे बांधू बैर, जगत में कोई नहीं पराया, हर मानव में प्रतिबिंब लेकर उसी ब्रह्म की छाया. तो गुरु was in that mode, but I was not. And once I was sitting and meditating, right? मैं बैठा था, तपस्या कर रहा था. I was sitting मंदिर में शिव जी के सामने, and I noticed my guru come in. But out of this arrogance, I did not stand up. And काकभसूंडी बोलते, जब मैं उठा नहीं, खड़ा नहीं हुआ, शिव जी could not take it. ऐसे तो वो दर्शन देते नहीं है. वो प्रकट हो गए, and he cursed me. He said, you have been sitting like a snake. I curse you that you will become a python. The minute he cursed, काकभसूंडी को नहीं, his guru felt horrible. He said, please. वो हाथ जोड़ के सामने खड़े हो गए. एंड कहते हैं ना, ये श्री रुद्राष्टकम, नमामि शमी श्याम निर्वाण रूपम, आप ये सुनिएगा. आई शेयर्ड इट विद द मीनिंग्स. इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. गुरु स्टूड विद hands joined in front of Shivji, and he started adoring the Lord. एक के बाद एक, these verses are so beautiful. He started singing it to the Lord, reminding him how graceful and how loving and how compassionate Shivji is. And at the end of this, he clearly says, कि ना जानामि योगम जपम नेव पूजा. हमें ना तो योग आता है, ना जप आता है, ना पूजा आता है. भ्रम जरूर होता है कि हमें आता है, and we are doing it so well. आता नहीं है, नहीं आता, right? हमें नहीं आता. So what are we there? What are we in front of you? All we need is, what do we need? We need you to understand us and help us, Lord. Because हमें कुछ नहीं आता. And while he was singing this beautiful verse with hands joined, because he was hurt that his shishya, his student, was cursed by the Lord. शिव जी भोले भंडारी है ना, ही इज़ वेरी ईजी टू प्लीज, राइट? ही mellowed down. He said, अच्छा ठीक है, बट द थिंग इज आई कैन नॉट टेक बैक माई कर्स, राइट? मैं अपना जो श्राप है उसको वापस नहीं लूंगा, बट कई बार ना द कर्स बिकम्स अ boon. He said, I'll convert it into a boon. He will be born as a python. He will be taking multiple births. Unfortunately, because what he has done is beyond us. I can tolerate everything. The Lord says, you demean me, you say bad things to me, it is okay. But the knower of Brahm, किसी संत की निंदा, किसी संत के बारे में बुरा बोला मुझे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. That person I can never forgive, and this is something that we have to itch in our heart and remember. We do not know who is a saint and who is not. सर पे यहाँ लिखा नहीं होता कि I am an enlightened soul, I am not an enlightened soul, 50% ज्ञान है या 70% ज्ञान है. हमें नहीं पता. किसी की निंदा मत करिए. जाने अनजाने में भी ये गलती हो गई ना, प्रभु माफ नहीं करेंगे. How do we know that a person sweeping the floor is not a saint? How do we know a person sitting and cooking is not a saint? हमें पता है क्या? नहीं पता चलता. कहते हैं ना, till we reach that level, we will not know who is and who is not. So be very very careful. इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, पर निंदा मत करिए. निंदा कहते हैं ना, पर निंदा मत करिए. Irrespective of anything, don't backbite, don't talk bad about anybody, because we do not know who is a saint and who is not, who is realized, who is not, who is a jnani, who is not, who is reveling in that Satchidanand Swarup and who is not. It is not going to be written on the forehead. And सोचिए, if जाने अनजाने में भी प्रभु भक्त की निंदा हो गई तो क्या होगा? Over here, when this happened, he said, there is everything that I can tolerate, but not this. But because you, his guru, is so compassionate, you are so dear to me, I say that इनका जन्म होगा बार बार, right? He was a human, then he would be born as a python, then he would be born as something else. Thousands and thousands and thousands of species. He'll be born and he'll die. He'll be born and he'll die. But one thing that will not leave him is awareness. हम तो कहते हैं ना कि hold on to your awareness. Irrespective of what is happening outside, what is happening inside, one thing that we should not let go of is what? Awareness. Be in awareness. हाँ, दुख हो रहा है, गलत भाव आ रहे हैं. Be in awareness कि हो रहा है ऐसा. He is saying that awareness will not leave him and the memory of the previous birth will not leave him. हमें पता नहीं है ना, हमने भी बहुत जन्म लिए हैं. कभी तो हम हो भी सकता है कि पिछले जन्म में हम जिससे हम निंदा कर रहे हैं उसी के पुत्र हों, राइट? बी वेरी केयरफुल. ये जो प्रपंच है ना, इट इज़ वेरी वियर्ड. वी डू नॉट नो हु वी वर रिलेटेड टू क्लोजली. Probably somebody we hate from the bottom of our heart was so dear to us in our previous birth. For all you know, that, the dog that we are throwing away from our gate could have been a relation which was very dear to us. हमें नहीं पता. So over here, the boon that was given to him was, you will never forget what you were in your previous birth. You will not forget the journey that you are going through. You'll always be in awareness. The love for Sri Ram will never leave your heart. And that, हमें लगता है कि what is the agony of birth and death? It is agonizing. बहुत पीड़ा होती है, बहुत तकलीफ होती है. Ask the child who's in the womb and ask the person who's leaving this body. And वो दोनों क्यों छोड़ें? कोई बोल सकता है क्या इस जीवन में कि मैं दुखी नहीं हूँ? कोई ऐसा इंसान है कि मैं हाँ there are people who are in their Satchidanand Swarup who have realized that this prapanch is but a drama, nothing is real. सब माया है. उनके अलावा is there anybody who can say that I am blissful all the time? नहीं ना. हम किसी ना किसी दुख से हम सब घिरे हुए हैं. हमेशा हमारे दिल में एक अजीब सा खालीपन रहता ही है. वो खालीपन कोई वस्तु नहीं भर सकती. There is no thing, no person, no place. घूम के आ जाओ पूरी दुनिया. Even if the riches, with all the riches of the world come to you, probably everybody starts singing your glory. That vacuum will remain, because that vacuum can be filled only by being aware of our true self. मैं सच्चित आनंद स्वरूप. That vacuum can be filled only by the name of God. प्रभु नाम ही उस खालीपन को भर सकता है. बाकी तो हम दौड़ते रहेंगे. हाँ, we'll get momentary happiness and then we'll say नहीं, अब और क्या, अब तो ये मिल गया, बट अब मैं इतना खुश नहीं हूँ, अब नेक्स्ट नहीं, आई एम वेरी 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 टायर्ड, मे बी आई नीड अ ब्रेक, आई टेक अ हॉलीडे, आई विल ट्रैवल. दैट फटीग इज नॉट गोइंग टू एंड, बिकॉज वो फटीग is not bodily fatigue. It is the fatigue of taking birth and death, being born and dying again and again and again. The rest is where we realize कि I am one with the Lord. और कहीं हमें शांति नहीं मिलेगी. ये आप ऑब्जर्व करके देख लीजिए, कितना भागोगे, कहाँ जाओगे. So over here he is saying that you will always be in awareness what birth you have taken. You will know what had happened. You will never leave devotion to Sri Ram. Irrespective of what is happening, how many births you are taking, the agony is not going to touch you. And कहते हैं he took many births, from python to various animals, various species, and finally he was born as a human. And in that birth also he was in full awareness. He was in full awareness. He knew कि मैंने हजारों सैकड़ों, अगर हमारे को भी हमारे पूर्व जन्म के बारे में पता होता ना, शायद हम आज बहुत अलग होते. पर माया है, वो कर सकते हैं, हाँ, एक चुटकी बजाए और सारा हमें याद आ जाए, पर वो चुटकी बजाते ही नहीं है. यशोदा को भी तो भ्रम में डाला था ना. When माँ यशोदा caught श्री कृष्ण eating mud, she said मुंह खोल अभी के अभी, तो निकाल माटी. And when he opened the mouth, the entire creation, she saw the entire creation in his mouth. And that realization, वो ज्ञान कि अरे ये तो साक्षात प्रभु हैं, और मैंने क्या कर दिया. A mother joining her hand, sitting in front of her child. कृष्ण भगवान को रोना आ गया. What he did was, वापस he called Maya and covered her thoughts. And Maya said, ये गलत कर रहे हो. She was awakened. ये जाग गई थी, आपने वापस सुला दिया. बोले नहीं नहीं, मुझे माँ का प्यार चाहिए, मुझे माँ की मार चाहिए. जितना माँ प्यार कर सकती है ना, कोई नहीं कर सकता. मुझे उससे वंचित मत करो. जब माँ वापस जाएंगी तब मैं उनसे माया ये वापस हर लूंगा. irrespective of what she does when she is clouded with Maya will not affect her. but अभी उनको मेरी माँ रहने दो. भगवान भी प्यार के भूखे होते हैं. See, he created us because he wanted love, ना. And the first person we forgot is him. ऐसे ही होता है. Come to think of it, ना, this is not, and this is something we'll all experience. Parents love their children so much, but as they walk, and it is okay, as they walk in the journey of life, the first people that are forgotten are the parents. हम उलझ जाते हैं, गलत नहीं है. In the future we get so carried away कि जिनने हमें जन्म दिया था हम उन्हीं को भूल जाते हैं. हमारे साथ हो रहा है तो क्या है, प्रभु के साथ भी तो हमने यही किया है ना. जिसने हमें जन्म दिया, जिसने हमें यहाँ लाया, जो हमारा प्यार चाहता था, हमने उसी को भुला दिया. पर कागभूसुंडी के साथ ये नहीं हुआ, right? So he remembered everything, and when he got this human form, he saw his parents of this birth. They tried to give him the ज्ञान of this world. कहते हैं ना, ये करो वो करो, पैसे कमाने, आगे बढ़ना है, रैट रेस में जाना है. somehow उनको रुचि नहीं आती थी, right? He could not absorb it all, and his father finally gave up, and he said, इसको तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता. And he waited. He did not want to hurt them. Soon it so happened that his parents passed away. And when his parents passed away, he wandered and wandered and wandered. He reached Mount Meru. And when he reached Mount Meru, he met Lomash Rishi. वो मिले, and he was a great ज्ञानी of what? निराकार भक्त थे वो. And ये कौन? कागभूसुंडी in the human form in that particular birth, he was a साकार भक्त. और साकार और निराकार में क्या फर्क है, शिव और राम में क्या फर्क है, जब सब कुछ ही एक है ना. और देयर इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल भजन, राइट, निराकार साकार हो गए भक्तों के आंगन में. वो निराकार साकार हो जाता है भक्त के आंगन में. वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ सो मेनी टेल्स. मीराबाई को देखो, या फिर आप इनको देखो, क्या कहते हैं ना, दैट थाली भरकर लाई रे खिचड़ा, ये जो लेडी थी, उनके भी साकार हो गए थे. किनके, विवेकानंद जी के गुरु जो थे, उनके भी तो भगवान साकार हो गए थे. बट ये था कि इनको सिखाना था निराकार. कहते हैं ना प्रभु एक है, पर इनको, बट ये काकभसुंडी, उनको रस्सी नहीं आ रहा था. उनको सुनना था राम जी के बारे में. साकार भक्त थे वो, उनको अच्छा लगता था प्रभु की सेवा करना, उनको अच्छा लगता था प्रभु. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड वाज समहाउ दैट साकार भाव वाज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट निराकार भाव वाज नॉट अपीलिंग हिम. And Guru's निराकार भाव was so strong that he was trying to tell him the truth. अगर मैं आपको हमेशा बोलने लग जाऊं सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप ही है सब कुछ, वो बोलते थे मुझे सच्चिदानंद के स्वरूप के बारे में नहीं सुनना, मुझे तो राम जी के बारे में सुनना है, मुझे तो राम जी की सेवा करनी है, सुबह उठ के पूजा अर्चना करनी है. इज दिस रॉन्ग? इज दैट ग्रेटर एंड दिस स्मॉलर? नहीं. साकार भाव हो, निराकार भाव हो, भाव होना चाहिए. बट व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, अगेन he got so agitated, he started arguing, and we are going to go into the depth of the argument in the next class, because right now we are taking the story in the superficial way. So he used to argue, तर्क करते थे, है ना. कई बार होते हैं ना people, देखिए, it was not wrong, but he did not want to listen to that knowledge that was given. He wanted to listen to a particular thing. So every time लोमश ऋषि बोलते कि ये है वो है, he was giving the deepest ज्ञान, he would say नहीं, ये नहीं, आप मुझे ये समझाइए, वो समझाइए. And the questions he posed, he said, how is it possible कि दोनों एक हो सकते हैं? मैं बार बार आपको बोल रही हूँ, आप भी सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है, मैं भी सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है, भगवान भी सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है. एंड देन यू विल रिमेंबर अ पर्सन हु इज सो वाइल्ड, ही विल से ये सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप हो भी सकता है क्या? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? एंड दिस इज अ वेरी वैलिड क्वेश्चन. व्हेन वी लुक एट ऑल द ग्रूसम एक्ट्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन इन द वर्ल्ड, वी वंडर कि कहीं इनके अंदर सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप छुपा हुआ है क्या? पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, पर है. एंड while the argument was going on, Lomash Rishi got so angry, he cursed him. कौवे के तरह कहाँ करे जा रहे हो, सुनना नहीं चाह रहे हो. I curse you that you will become a crow. And you know what? When his guru cursed him, he did not say anything, because he said it's okay. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Even when he cursed me, there has to be something good for me only, right? And without saying anything, without refuting, that crow form went away. And do you know, it is said that God was testing him. God was testing the bhakti. God was testing the decorum. God was testing the dharma. कि अगर मैं ऐसा करता हूं तो इसका reaction क्या होगा? See, the true righteousness or the true test of character comes when we are in the pits of darkness. देखिए, जब सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा हो ना, इंसान अच्छा रह सकता है. When everything around you is falling apart, are you able to uphold your dharma? Are you able to uphold your sweet nature? Are you able to uphold truthfulness? Are you able to uphold your daya bhav? भगवान बहुत कड़ी तपस्या लेते हैं अपने भक्तों की. बी वेरी केयरफुल. इफ यू आर रेडी टू गिव द टेस्ट, देन वॉक द पाथ, अदरवाइज छोड़ दो. वो आपके हाथ में जो रोटी आएगी ना, वो भी छीन लेगा और फिर देखेगा कि ये क्या करता है. एंड वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ स्टोरीज, राइट, कि व्हेन अ पुअर पर्सन हैड नथिंग, बड़ी मुश्किल से हिज फैमिली वाज स्टार्विंग, एंड ही गॉट सम वाटर एंड एक रोटी. ही गॉट इट होम, right? या आटा. She made a little roti and they were about to sit and eat when this great divine disguised himself and came. He said, मुझे तो बड़ी भूख लगी है. तो उनने थोड़ा सा उसको दे दिया, बोला नहीं अभी और भूख लगी है. तो उनने अपने हिस्से का भी दे दिया, फिर भी भूख लगी. The wife also gave his, and the child was so divine. He said, जब मम्मी पापा ने दे दिया तो मैं क्यों नहीं? See, action speaks louder than words. You might shout out a principle or a moral. If you're not acting it, it is not going to sink in the children's heart. So the child also gave. And अब खा लिया, सब खाना खत्म हो गया. इनने सोचा कोई बात नहीं, पानी पी के सो जाएंगे, और अब तो प्यास भी लगी है. उन लोगों ने पानी तक दे दिया. So be ready. And many a times people say, right, such a great devotee, and look at how horrible his life has been. These are two different things. Let's not mix it up. संसार का संसार में छोड़ो ना. So over here, when he was cursed, he did not say anything in his defense. He just said, ठीक है, if this is the form, this is the curse, no problem. I will go away. And at that time, the snapping of the finger happened, and this test ended, and लोमश ऋषि ने उनको बुलाया कि तुम इधर आओ, मैं अब तुम्हें साकार ज्ञान देता हूँ. इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, नेवर 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 बी रिजिड. जहाँ ज्ञान मिल रहा है, जो ज्ञान मिल रहा है, सुनिए. डोंट बी सो रिजिड कि यही सही है, वही सुनना है. नहीं. He says, अभी तक I was giving you निराकार ज्ञान and you were adamant about साकार ज्ञान. I cursed you but you were quiet. You said it must be God's will and you went away. Now you come here. I'll give you साकार ज्ञान. I will tell you how Ramji can be achieved. I'll tell you how Ramji will be met. Every time Ramji turns 5, you can go to Ayodhya and witness his Leela. Ramji will be alive. There will be no end to your sung with that Ram form. You can take any form of your choice and you will be alive as long as you want to. हर बार जब त्रेता युग हो तुम राम के दर्शन करना, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूं कैसे करोगे. And getting this gyan, getting this blessing, he went away to Nilgiri Parvat, and we know, right, he never left the crow form. You know why? Because he said, this form is very dear to me. It is not that I cannot take another form, but in this form I got sakar gyan. In this form I could see the Lord. In this form मुझे प्रभु के दर्शन होते हैं. तो how can I leave the form of a crow? Be it God's form, be it Vishnu's form, be it Bhagwan's form, no form is superior to me than this form of the crow, in which I got sakar gyan and in which I got darshan of my Lord. And he never wants to leave this form. So Garud was saying, na, and Ma Parvati also said, कि such great jnanis don't have this gyan, and this Kauva has this gyan. By choice he held on to the form. इसीलिए कहते हैं, it is not the situation, it is not the person, it is not the place. There is no shubh ashubh. जिस क्षण, at any moment, at that particular moment, जिस क्षण प्रभु भक्ति जागती है ना, वो शुभ है. जहां प्रभु भक्ति जागती है वो शुभ है. That is shubh. That is what we need to hold on to. Right? And this is the story of Kakbhasundi's journey, which we have very superficially taken. Because see, Ramayana में कहानियां हैं, there are stories, but as we move on with the story, there is a lot of gyan. Right? Why? Because through these stories, they are telling us the Veds in a nutshell. Right? All the Upanishads in a nutshell. So we are going to go back and touch it. But I did not want to break the rhythm of the story. And then on, Kakbhasundi remained as a crow. He retained this beautiful crow form because he said, इसी form में मुझे राम के दर्शन होते हैं. See, it does not matter whether we live in a palace or a jhopda. It does not matter whether we have so much to eat or nothing to eat. That is not the sign of blessing. The sign of blessing is when devotion awakes in our heart. We could be in the best of health and we forget the Lord. And we could be in the worst of health and we remember the Lord. Anytime choose the worst of the health. जब प्रभु दर्शन हो, जब प्रभु से प्यार होने लगे, वो ही सबसे बेस्ट है. संसार में सब कुछ उल्टा चलता है. भक्तों के लिए इतना ही होता है, till there is devotion in my heart, everything is all right. And when devotion goes from my heart, everything is totally shattered. This material gains do not matter. And so Kag Bhasundi is telling him that I was given a boon that if anybody comes to my vicinity, 8 miles of my vicinity, all their doubts, all their delusions will disappear and automatically Ram, Nam and Prabhu Bhakti will awaken in their heart. And that is why when you entered the vicinity of 8 miles, automatically without me uttering a word, all your doubts vanished. And this is all because of Lomash Rishi. This is all because of all the sages. This is all because of my Guru, who I can never forget. This is all because of Shivji, and this is all because of Ramji. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman.